Today I'm going to be taking you through the entire lip ink layering process for creating a fun fall lip color. Today I'm going to be using lip ink magic powders in between lip ink liquid lip colors to create a multi-dimensional fall color. Our Brilliant Magic powders are versatile powder products that are designed to be used for the eyes, lips, and face, and best of all, they're guaranteed smear proof. I'll be using the magic powder in walnut between layers of redwood today. I'm going to be starting off by cleansing and lightly exfoliating my lips with Lip Ink's Off Herbal Cleanser. You're going to want to use a cotton pad, and this is going to remove any dead skin cells and makeup product on the lips, and this is essential to getting smear-proof results. Next, lightly dab water onto your lips to remove any remaining soap and pat dry. Unlike any other lip product on the market, we apply Lip Ink Shine Moisturizer under the lip to lock in moisture and hydrate the lips before the lip color application. Like I said earlier, our products are wax-free and won't be compatible with other products. Now I'm ready to layer. In order to use the magic powder correctly, I'm going to need to layer a color over and under to seal the product, making it smear-proof. I'm going to be using our Lip Ink liquid lip color in Redwood. This color has brown tones with slight pink undertone, which makes it perfect for every skin tone and perfect for the new fall looks coming out this season. If anyone is watching this and hasn't used our products, it's so important to know that you need to shake the vial of lip color until you hear the beads. This ensures that the pigments are stirred properly and never let it tilt because it will spill. I'm using a single layer and quickly applying the magic powder with my fingers. Use as much as you want of the magic powder. The more you use, the more the pearlescent effects pop through. I'm going to set this with 2 layers of Lip Ink liquid lip color in Redwood. To seal the look, I'm going to apply a final layer of Lip Ink Lip Shine Moisturizer. It feels great, almost like you're wearing nothing on your lips, and provides full spectrum sun protection. And that's how you create the world's only 100% smear-proof lips. You can kiss, eat, swim, and drink 24/7, and your lip color won't budge.